Good morning, everyone. Blake Potter here at Bell Camper Sales. I'm going to do a quick video on this last 2022 Durango Gold 387 FLF. This is the front living, one of the most amazing floor plans out there. And if you're looking for outside storage, people, look no further. This thing is hard to beat when it comes to outside storage. So follow me and I'll give you a quick video of this thing. We'll start over here on the door side. Like I said, the storage on this thing is amazing. If you look up here, got your pass-through storage there, swing out TV, JBL soundbar. Got your solar controller there. Fold-in steps to the entrance door. You'll notice there's frameless windows on them. You have those open even if it's raining. Get a little breeze through there. Got your outside kitchen, flat top griddle, little drawer fridge there. And look at this storage, y'all. This is underneath the back of it. All aluminum welded frame, if you notice. Everything's ducted, heated. Look at all that storage. Come around here to the back. It's got this pull out. You don't want to reach in there to get your stuff. Well, they thought of everything. Pull this right out to you. Easy to get your stuff off. Easy to load and unload. More storage over here. Big compartment there. Self-leveling. 6-point. On-demand hot water tank. 50 amp service. Got all your controls there to winterize it, change to dry camping. All comes up there, so it's in a heated belly. The Arctic package. Auto level there, or from the tablet inside. Your big front cap with a tinted window, can't see in it. You got a powered 60-inch TV in there. You can either block it or have it down. That concludes the outside. Now follow me to the inside. Here we are walking in the door to the inside. Walk into a big open kitchen. It's your residential fridge, ice maker, everything. Got your island in the kitchen, your barn style sink, storage over there, place for the coffee pot, stuff like that. Got your 4 top burner insignia residential oven, really nice oven, solid countertops. Very nice microwave. More storage up there. If you go across over here in the slide, you got your dinette. It does have a leaf and extends out with 2 more chairs. Look at all them windows. Imagine if you're on the lake, that view you'd see. Up here into the living, you got your front living area. Before you step in there, you got your controller for all your lights, slides, everything. Your solar controller. Got your theater seating. Directly across from a 60-inch TV, powers up and down with a fireplace that does heat. Got your 2 sofas directly across from each other. Those do fold out into beds, meet dang near in the middle, so you can sleep a couple people up here if you want to. 4. You don't have to tell them that if you don't want, though. Theater seating. Has your heat massage, power open, power close. Really nice. Got your cup holders there. Go back down through the kitchen. Didn't show you this either. It's a big pantry, washer and dryer prep. Right here in the kitchen, so it's not going to be loud in your bedroom when you're sleeping. Come up the stairs to your master suite. You got your king powered bed in a slide, so you get a lot of walking room through here. Right across from your bed, you have your TV up here. Fireplace down there that does heat as well. Got your closet over there for some clothes, storage down here. You walk into the master bath, just tool it over here away from everything. You got storage there for towels, plenty of storage there, wrap around countertop. That is a solid countertop, his and her sinks. Shower over here with the bench. Skylight for them taller people. I don't have that problem. Some people do. Your other closet there, that's where you store your other chairs that go to the dinette. That concludes the inside of the camper. Follow me back out here. Thanks everyone for watching that video. That concludes the 2022 Durango 387 FLF. Come see me, Blake at Bell Camper Sales, where I'll get you camping.